Okay, this is Orlando Wilson, and what I want to talk about in this video is the use of public transport. Again, I had somebody ask me recently in the close protection business, are you going to be using public transport? And I said, yeah, of course, we use whatever transport works. You see, now I'm on a train station waiting for a train. This is where the location I'm at now, it's a lot easier to come in. I fly in today, I have to go to another city, and I fly out the day after. So it's a lot easier for me just to come, jump on a plane, walk 5 minutes to a hotel, and then do the same on the way back, rather than renting a car, etc, etc, etc. So other people say, well, clients don't want to travel on public transport. Bullshit. A lot of business clients want to travel as quickly and as efficiently as possible. This is where a lot of people have the misconception that all the close protection business is about is motorcades and idiots dressed up in black suits, white shirts and black ties. But you know what? Why have at the moment, if you had 4 guys walking around in a formation, or any type of guys walking around in a formation, guys or girls with black suits, white shirts and black ties on, one, you're drawing attention, everybody's just going to think you're stupid. So this is where public transport always needs to be an option. You have to explore all options of how to get from A to B as quickly and efficiently. And in Europe, I know in US it's not, public transport is bad, but in Europe at least, public transport can be very, very good and very, very efficient. So this is where you have to explore all options. The gentleman asked me a question, said when he was on his close protection course, they said you never use public transport. You know what, I would say the people running that close protection course might have been in the military, police, done dignitary protection or something, but they have no clue about the real world of close protection, commercial close protection, investigations, etc., where the essence is getting from A to B as quickly and efficiently as possible. If there's a threat, yes, we can use protective surveillance. If there's a serious threat, then the client shouldn't be traveling, period. Because again, even in Europe at the moment, there's lots of RPGs around. So your armored car and your motorcade will just get torn apart if you're under that type of threat. So this is where you need to consider, you need to include public transport, trains, taxis, buses maybe, but trains and taxis at least as part of your plan. And again, think about it dress-wise, always dress to blend in. As I said, walking around suited and booted in your security guard playing bodyguard black suit, white shirt and black tie garb is complete and utter BS. And if you've done a course and people are telling you that's what people wear, I'd also question their experience about, I'd say they've been in the security guard business, maybe event business, and that's about it. And back on the training side, make sure the people you're training with actually know what they're doing and have the relevant experience. I think what I'm talking here applies to my world, the commercial close protection, low profile close protection and investigations, but also to some extent the celebrity world, because those guys and girls generally aren't dressed up in black suits, white shirts and black ties. Okay, so consider public transport. It can be very, very efficient in some places. In the meantime, as always, be good, stay safe, and stay out of trouble.